Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I want to do a couple of videos on the assignment that we're currently working on, linear versus exponential. Just do a couple of examples, make sure everyone is good to go. So I'm just going to jump right into this. The first kind of questions are basically asking you to be able to tell the difference between linear and exponential based on words. So, for example, this one says, which one of these represents exponential growth? Now, this one is actually exponential, but it's decreasing. It's saying it's decreasing by 2/3. So if it's a fraction, if it's percent, then that represents exponential. So this one is exponential, but it's going down, and they want exponential growth. This one, a population of 2,000 bacteria quintuples. Quintuples means you're multiplying times 5. So this is our answer. Let's look at the other two. This one says the snow was falling at a rate of 1.75. So this would be linear. And it says the car depreciates at 5.3%. So this is also exponential. So the three of them are exponential, but only one of those exponentials is growing. So that's the reason we chose that one. Okay, let's keep it moving. All right, next one is, which one is linear? All right, so this first one is exponential, 2.2% annual growth. This one is also exponential, 4.8 growth. This one is depreciating by 8.2%, so that's also exponential, but it's decreasing. And this one is the linear. It's saying that it's going down by 10 feet per second. So every second we're losing 10 feet. So this will be your answer. Boom, done. Now that's all you have to do on those. So the key idea is you're looking for, remember the difference between linear and exponential. Linear is you're adding the same number, adding or subtracting, or exponential, you're multiplying or dividing by the same number. So that's the key difference. And you're looking for words, for instance, for exponential, like double, triple, quintuple, anything with percent. If it says it was halved by, it was being halved or 3/4, those are also exponential. Pretty much everything else is linear. All right, now let's go to the next part of this. Now this one is, they're giving us tables and they want you to determine if it's linear, exponential, or neither, right? So if you look at this, let's see, I'm gonna do a quick snip so we can do a little work here. Okay, so come on. Uh-oh. This is taking a little time here. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here. Okay, so actually I'm just going to go and do this kind of on my iPad. Kind of wasted a little bit of time. Actually, we're going to do it with the stuff from this screen. We got a couple things here. We have markers. So look, this is going up by 15, and then this one is going up by 105. So we know this is definitely not linear. Let's see, this one is going up by like 200 and something. I guess the question is this exponential? So 22/7. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna do a quick little check here and see, X out of here. I'm gonna see if, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go 22 divided by 7, and I get 3.14. Now I'm going to do 127 divided by 22 and see if that, so I'm going to do 127 divided by 22. And these are different, so it's not exponential either. So it's not exponential, it's neither. None of the above. So none of the above. So I'm going to submit it. Let me get rid of all of this stuff. All right, now let's do the next one. All right, so we got a table here. Let's see what's happening. So it looks like it's going down by 3 here. And then, so negative 15 minus a negative 12 is a negative 3. And then the negative 27 minus a negative 15 is going to be a negative 12. So it doesn't look like let me use the pen again so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing here. So this is going down by a -3. This is going down by a -12. This is going down by, what is that? It's 27, that's 4, 54. So it looks like, I thought this was going up by, we can multiply by a certain number, but that's not it. So this is also not linear or exponential. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to say none of the above, and I'm going to say none of the above again, and I'm going to fire this off. Okay, I'm hoping that I can find one that's actually linear or exponential so you can see what we got here. All right, let's see here. Okay, so I need a calculator to kind of get this knocked out. So let me do this. So I'm going to do a -1728 minus a -1296. And it's going down by a -432. And then I'm going to do a -2304 minus a -1728. And I get a -576. So it's not going down by the same amount, so it's not linear. Now I'm going to do menu 15. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do ratios. So I'm going to do a -4096 divided by a -3072, and I get 4/3. And then I'm going to do 3072. Actually, that should be a negative. Let me go over there and make that a negative. Divided by a -2304. Press enter. This one looks like it's exponential. Let's do one more. We're going to do a -2304 divided by a -1728, and we get 4/3. So this is exponential. It's being multiplied by 4/3 to get to so we would say it is the ratio. So in order to do that, I just did the ratio, and I always start from the right and go left. So 496 divided by 3072, and then 3072 divided by 2304, and then 2304 divided by 1728, and then 1728 divided by 1296. Those should all be the same number. If they are, that means that you're multiplying by 4/3, which means it's exponential. Boom, done. All right, let's see, what's the time on this? All right, it's 8 minutes. I think that's enough. I'm going to go ahead and stop and post this.